Mercury, dude, you should do that. Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Rice Life Garage. We're in the FC here. We just went to AutoZone and I got some degreaser because my valve cover has been leaking on the white coupe. And I need to get all the oil off the engine and stuff, and then I'm gonna go ahead and replace the valve cover today. And the brakes also went out, so I need to get new brake pads for that. And so that's what we're gonna be doing today. So we just went to AutoZone and now we're getting gas really quick, and then I don't know what else is going on. I'll do that. We're gonna be replacing the brakes and the valve cover gasket today, so stay tuned. So we just went into Albertsons right now, and we went through the whole process, and then as we're leaving, oh, I think I left my keys in the RX-7. He left them right there in the ignition as we were parked, with the windows down too. And the keys were just in the ignition. Somebody could have just walked up. Alright guys, so what I'm basically doing is I'm just trying to get all this grime off my engine. So I sprayed the whole thing down with frickin' engine degreaser, and I've just been sitting here spraying all the oil so that it came off, so that it all comes off. Like, see all that grime in there? And then I'm gonna let this, got it in my eye. I'm gonna let this sit for a minute, and then I'm gonna hose it down too. So it's starting to look a little cleaner, and I'm gonna paint that. Oh, my print. Let's show the channel my print. I designed this. I made this right here.
And I got a whole.
If any of you guys want some designs done, let me know. Of your car. Send me a picture of your car. I'm gonna let that sit and then hose it down. I gotta take the battery out so I can not get water on my battery and stuff. You know how it goes. And then we have brake pads too, but I'm waiting for the jack. So. Alright, so I sprayed the engine down with degreaser. You can tell because there's a bunch of oil on the ground right here. It looks like oil slick. And so it's looking a little better. And all I really care about is all this being clean right now, because I don't want oil to be there, because I'm going to replace the valve cover gasket, so I want it to at least look a little bit better. I want to paint that, but I don't have money to buy paint right now. So kind of sucks, but we'll see what happens. Maybe I have paint laying around or something, or maybe I'll go buy one can. So I was just looking at my valve cover right now, and somebody painted this gold before, because I was gonna paint it gold, but I decided not to because one of my friends, Adrian, has his gold, and he has a white coupe, the gold, and basically our cars look exactly the same now. So I was gonna paint this a different color, but yeah, I thought that was kind of weird that it's painted gold. So I got the valve cover off. And I need to clean all of it up with a razor, like around the edges and stuff, for the new gasket. Here's like chipping off. And so I decided I'm probably just gonna go buy paint remover, like the stuff that you just like spray on and then it like eats away paint and you like hose it off. And while I'm at that, I should just probably buy paint. So I'm gonna go see if I could buy some paint. Alright, so we just got out of AutoZone. We're gonna have super hot boy valve cover now. We got that, we got high temp clear, and we got paint stripper to take all the old paint off of the valve cover. So we'll see when we get back to the house. Alright guys, so we're pouring this paint stripper stuff onto here, and as you can see, it's getting it all off. So yeah, we're gonna try to get as much as the paint off as we can. Might sand it a little bit too. I'm gonna maybe just use this as like a bottom coat and then sandwich that purple in between this and the clear. Alright guys, so we've been painting on this stripper, and this is where we're at now. So I'm letting one more coat sit on there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hose it off again. And then we could try to get to painting, but it's a little cold today. So see how this goes. We got it stripped down pretty much all the way now. So I'm just waiting for it to dry, and then I'm probably gonna clean it with brake cleaner really quick, wipe it down with acetone or whatever, something, and then we're gonna go paint it. We're gonna base it with this because I don't have any primer. And no, I'm not doing it because it's gray. I'm doing it because it's hot, or not hot, engine paint or whatever. And then we're gonna lay down the purple, and then we're gonna put clear on top of that, and hopefully that'll keep us, because this isn't technically engine paint, it's just high temp paint or heat resistant paint. I mean, it'll probably work fine, but just to be safe, we're gonna do that sandwich thing, and then we'll probably have a nice looking purple valve cover. All right, so it's masked off everything that's kind of like important. I mean, I kind of want to keep the inside right here all metal and the bottom flat part of this cap thing, and I covered up that the vacuum line thingamajiggy bobby, whatever it's called. So we're gonna go ahead and lay down the first coat of that gray. Alright guys, so I know it's kind of heavy, but we got a first coat on of this. We're probably gonna do like 2 of this and then 3 purple and 3 clear maybe. I don't know, we'll see. But so I'm gonna wait like 10 minutes, 15 minutes for that to dry. It's kind of cold, so probably like 15. Or not dry, but get a little tacky. I need to shake it a little bit better, but you know, this is my first time ever painting a valve cover, so we'll see. The white Miata valve cover wasn't me, so don't say there was already one. So yeah, there's the gray. Alright guys, so I've been using the hair dryer because it's pretty cold and that puts hot air out. So I did 2 coats, and it's kind of crappy. It's got a lot of like dots in it. And I don't think it's like pollen or anything from the air, it's just like the spray paint was kind of just like spraying out weird stuff. So I'm gonna wait like another probably like 2 minutes for this to just get a little bit harder. And then I'm gonna go ahead and spray the purple down. First coat of purple. So here he goes. This is what we got here. It looks way better on camera than it does in person. If you look closely, it has a bunch of little dots in it and things. And we messed up like over there and stuff. It's pretty terrible. And I also painted it the wrong color. Well, it's like kind of sort of the wrong color because I put a dark color under it, so now it's like more midnight purple. And you know, I kind of like it, but might go like gold or something someday. But so this is what it looks like, and we're gonna go ahead and throw it on. And I don't think I'm gonna get to the brakes today because it's getting kind of late. And so this video will probably be a 2-day thing, or maybe even 3, depending on when I can do the brakes. And yeah, I got it all back together right now, and it's kind of sparkly nice. I scratched it right there trying to put the valve cover on, and notice it's steaming. If you can see that, it smells like burning degreaser, and it's coming from down here where I sprayed degreaser all over the side of the engine, so it's probably just going off. So yeah, I'll continue this video tomorrow because I can't do the brakes now because it's getting dark. So welcome back to Rice Life Garage. It is drift event day. We're not going to be drifting any of the 240, sadly, because they all have open diffs, and the only one that's getting a welded diff has a blown head gasket. So the struggle is real. But Kyle with the Miata got a helmet, and hopefully he's gonna drift. We'll see how he feels when we get there. He just grabbed a helmet just in case he wants to drift when we get there. But mainly we're going to hang out with other people that are going and to just watch the drifting because, yeah.
We all suck.
Yeah, we all suck, but that's why you go to drift events, to learn. But anyways, right now we're changing the brakes on this because we won't make it there if we don't, because the brakes are literally completely shot. So changing the brakes on this, and then after that we'll head out to the drift event. Once we finish these brakes, we'll get the car all back together and we'll head out to the drift event. It is like what, like 5 something right now? It starts at 6 because it's a night event.
We're a bit late.
Yeah, we're running late because it's like 30 minutes away, 40 minutes away, and it's like 5:15 right now. Running a little late, but alright. Guys, so We've been struggling for a really long time. The brake pads were like way too big to go in. We tried everything. I literally had to shave the pads down to put them in. Huh? Wait. Oh, I thought my freaking tire was leaking. Okay, anyways, guys, so I'm gonna go around the block just to check it because I kind of had to ghetto rig it together. And we're like an hour late for this drift event, so we'll see what happens. See if we can even get in when we get there.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so I kind of forgot to make an outro the other night when I was making the video at the event and stuff. So this is just going to be the outro. We did the brakes and stuff, and pretty much I just came home and I got busy and I didn't make the outro. So if you guys like the video, subscribe. I know it was kind of choppy, but still leave a like and subscribe. There's plenty more stuff to come. The engine on the 240, I don't know if that video is going to be out yet or not, but we're pulling the engine on the pink 240. And so there's going to be a video about that coming up after this probably. And yeah, so go ahead and subscribe and like, and peace.